Hey y'all, it's your boy Darkahontas Day. Darkahontas Day. Who the fuck? let's try that again. Let's try that again. Hey y'all, it's your boy Darkahontas, and today, baby, we coming at you with another slay. What could I say? Yes, honey bunny. Yes, baby, we're doing a bust down set, baby. Half matte, half glossy. Baby, a little piece of glitter and a little piece of rhinestones, baby. I know you see the material. I bring it to you every video. Okay. If anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, addy, addy, and share. Because share it is Karen. You know that's the only type of Karen we like in this household. You dig? If anything, I'm not gonna hold you up too much. You have a video to watch. Anyways, let's go! Alright, y'all, so what it is though, but what's up? So y'all, this is the set that I'm going to be doing today. Something I've been wanting to do for a hot little minute. Yes, this is a really cute design. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're going to start off with the yallllll. This is clear. I'm going to leave it clear. The first part of this nail design, we're first going to start off with the Madam Glam Soak Off Gel Polish. If you are not aware, I do have a partnership with Madam Glam where you can get 35% off of your purchase. All you have to do is use Darkahontas 35 at checkout or click the link in my bio and they'll automatically apply the discount code. So just to help you guys out, you know what I'm saying? Just to help you guys out. But we're just going to use this to line around the nails. So we're going to use a detailer brush like this. And just dip. What I do is dip directly into the polish. And then we're just pretty much outlining the cuticle with that. So how you guys been? How's everything going? Everything's going good with me because your boy is what? High as hell right now. High as hell on a stronger dose of my medication. Your boy is feeling blessed and highly flavored, okay? But yes, y'all, I'm high as hell, so if I mispronounce or slur my words just a little, or if I lose train of thought, please be aware. I guess I'm making up for the fact that I don't have alcohol in my house still. Right. Your boy's just been busy with the work. This new job can be very tasking sometimes because it requires me to do a lot of traveling. Mostly within my city, but god darn. I did not know there was so many different Dollar Generals. I really didn't. Right. But yeah, I mean, everything with work is going good too. It's going good. Besides some of the shitty ass workers they've been hiring, but not me spilling tea. Not me spilling tea, honey. Cause let me tell you, these workers that some of these people they hired as of late, baby, Trashosaurus Rex. Throw the whole human away. Right. You know, these jobs really just be hiring anybody. So bam, that's pretty much what you're gonna do. You're just basically outlining the cuticle area. This creating a nice little U. We'll go ahead and do this one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the thumb, and then we'll come back on camera and we'll finish the design. Now, once you do this part of the design, then you want to go ahead and first use a matte top coat to put over this to lock in this part so that you trust me, you'll want to do that now. It'll save you from doing it later. So after you cure it for 60 seconds, then you're going to go ahead and do a matte top coat. I'm going to be using Lavender's Violet matte top coat to do that. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how to do the rest of the design. Okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So we went ahead and I did that. I put over a matte top coat and we cured that. So now I'm going to go in with my Macart rhinestone glue. And this is where things start to get interesting. So first I'm going to create like a slight curved line across. And I'm doing the slight curved line mainly where my nails is showing. My natural nail like starts. That's how I'm doing it for my set. You know, I'm basically showing you how to do like how to do a clear set where you're not using where you're using minimal polish. Like say for instance you don't have a lot of polishes, you know, because most people don't have like nude polishes. You can actually use like your nails to do that. And now I'm going to pull out my rhinestones. You can do whatever color rhinestones you want. I'm going to be doing red just to go with the theme of what I'm doing. So first I'm going to only be using the biggest size. I'm only going to use these two mostly, and I might dip into that depending for the thumb. But let me get my wax tool. So first I'm going to take two big ones and place them bad boys in the middle like that. And then we're going to take the medium size, put them on the side. Oop, I didn't drop one. I don't have a lot of these, so I gotta catch them all. Pokemon quotes. Anyways, how you guys been though? Like I'm currently filming this the day before Thanksgiving. I literally just got done finished cooking the last little things that I have to cook. But yeah, how was you guys Thanksgiving, you know? If you guys don't celebrate Thanksgiving, what did you guys do? You know? What are my peoples up to? You know? Can we talk about it? Like, baby, nobody tapped into my giveaway. Like I'm sitting up here trying to give some free stuff away, and nobody seems to be able to follow the instructions given. So now at this point, it's like I don't even know if I want to do giveaways now. Maybe when my channel get a little bigger, maybe I'll go back to doing giveaway. Maybe I'll try another giveaway. Cause baby, as far as for the giveaway, all you have to do was like, comment, and share. But the thing is, when it comes to the comments, you do have to. When it comes to commenting, only thing I ask is that you comment hashtag Darkahontas and then tag me in all those comments. And you only have to do that for TikTok and Instagram, and at least one of my videos on YouTube. You know, it's an easy way. You would have won like a mini nail lamp. You would have got a mini nail lamp out of it and a free custom press-on set that I created. And the custom press-on set is like really cute. Let me finish doing this and I'll show it to you. I actually have it here to the side of me. I'm just gonna honestly give it as a gift to give it as like a Christmas gift for Friendsgiving to my sister, since you know I didn't actually get to give this away. So yeah, we're gonna cure that. I'm gonna put that aside and cure it, and I'm gonna show y'all the set. So this is the set, y'all. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. I can't open it with one hand, y'all. But yeah, this is what the set looks like. Maybe if I grab some tweezers, maybe I can get it open. There we go. Just needed a little assist. But yeah, y'all, these are the nails. You know, cats out the bag. This was the mystery set. Like, this actually came out really cute. This is actually what my nails is modeled after. I did this set and I'm like, this is such a cute design that I want to do it on my own nails. So I'm doing it on my own nails, but I am changing up just a little. Let me switch thumb. Changing up a little, which I used a different type of stone. I decided to do all red. And, you know, obviously, I created a shorter set because most people nowadays do shorter nails. They don't really do long nails, or not so many of the people I follow do longer nails. So I created a shorter nail set, which, yeah, I'm going to use this as a Christmas gift for Friendsgiving, or Friendsmas. I think that's what they call it nowadays. But, yeah, that's the little set that I created and whatever. And I was going to do that for the giveaway, you know. And I even made up like hella backups for it. So it is what it is. It was worth the try. Right? At least I can say I tried. Yeah, you know I mean? At least I can say I tried. Yeah, I'm saying. But okay. So now I done set up here. I done cured the nails and also the thumb. So now we get into the last part of design, which is the Madam Glam. And this is in the color Cosmic Sparkle. This was recently sent to me for PR. This is a really cute glitter. Let me show you. Now for this one, I'm going to do about, well, you can use it. This one's very, you see, I don't know if you see that, but you see that? It's a very cute color. Now for this one, you can do either 2 to 3 coats. It's more depending on your preference. The tip of the nails is going to be clear. So, if anything, you don't want to put more than 3 layers, because then that's just going to be OD and it's just going to make the tip of the nail too thick. When it comes to Gel-X, you don't want to make the tip of the nail too heavy, because then it will cause lifting in the back, you know. That's just a common thing. But yes, y'all, that's pretty much how it is, how it's gonna look. See how cute that is? I'm gonna do 3 more layers of the glitter. I'm gonna put a glossy top coat on, and then we're gonna get into the final reveal. Okay, y'all, okay. All right, y'all, welcome back, y'all. This is the end of the video. The time has come. So long, farewell. Y'all got stuff to do. It's the weekend, okay? Y'all, let's not act like we ain't about to get drunk and get buck wild somewhere, whether it's at your home or somebody else's, okay? Okay. But yeah, I really do, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out into the YouTubeverse for nails. I hope it's giving what it needs to give on the day that it was given, and I hope that I'm motivating you guys to want to do these things as well. I just hope that I'm giving you the vibes that you need to be giving, because I always try to give you something that you can feel. If anything, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribity squad. For a baddie Eddie is share, because share is caring. You know, that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? Even the ways, baby, I ain't gonna hold you up too much. Yeah. Let's go ahead and go get y'all got a weekend to start, and so do I, okay? So, peace!